Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Realme UI and Android build so you know which emoji methods will work. Back up your device now. This protects fonts and themes. Once done, make sure you are signed into the Theme Store and Play Store and connected to Wi-Fi. Next, open Settings then Themes or Theme Store directly. You need the Theme Store for non-root emoji packs or the Play Store if you plan to install a third-party keyboard such as Gboard or SwiftKey. Now perform the core change. In Theme Store, search for emoji packs and apply one. Themes modify system fonts and emoji without root on many Realme builds. Alternatively, install Gboard or SwiftKey and set it as your default keyboard in Settings right arrow system, right arrow languages, and input. These keyboards deliver Google or Microsoft emoji styles inside apps. If you choose an APK for emojis, enable installs from unknown sources for that installer. Then finish by rebooting the phone so theme or keyboard changes apply system-wide, then open multiple apps to confirm emoji style. If some apps still show the old emoji, force stop them, clear their cache, or update them from the Play Store. App-level rendering can override system fonts. If the system locks emoji to Realme is set, you can consider advanced methods like rooting with an emoji replacement module, but treat that as a last resort because it changes warranties and security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.